Hey, if you're watching this, you probably feel something in the air. A shift, something big, and you're not wrong. AI is not the future. AI is now, and it's already reshaping jobs. Your job, my job, even jobs we thought were safe. But here's the kicker. AI doesn't have to be your enemy. In fact, it's the best ally you've ever had, if you play it right. Picture this. Yesterday, someone asked me, will AI take my job? And I said, only if you let it. Think about that for a second. You have a choice. You can fear it, fight it, or use it. And the people winning right now, they're not fighting machines. They're handing them the tools and saying, work. That's exactly what we're diving into today. 3 real, powerful ways to profit from AI instead of getting replaced by it. I've got stories, real numbers, challenges you can do, and serious mindset hacks. We're going all in. Let's start first the setup. Why this matters now. AI is no longer sci-fi. It's in your pocket, your apps, your job. ChatGPT writes articles, Midjourney creates art, 11 Labs narrates books, and just last week I saw a restaurant using robot servers. In fact, a study says up to 40% of jobs could be affected by AI by 2030. That's not 2040. That's 6 years away, and we're already seeing it today. So if you think you still have time, you don't. It's now. Pause, breathe, don't panic. That's exactly what they want. When people panic, they freeze. Decision-making stops, growth stops, opportunity flees. That's why mindset is everything. Fear paralyzes, but curiosity energizes. Your brain is wired to fear threats, but also to explore solutions. And while most are running away from AI, you're about to run with it. So here's our first path. AI-assisted services. Path number 1 is the high-leverage hustle. You offer services, but your secret weapon, AI. Imagine this. You're a freelance content writer. Before AI, you spent 8 hours laboring over research, writing, and edits. Now, you input a prompt, get a solid draft, polish it with Grammarly, tweak with your voice, and you deliver the same article in 90 minutes. Boom, you just became 5x faster. That means more clients, higher earnings, and better reviews. And your real value, your creativity, your editing flair, your understanding of people's problems. Here's a story. I know a college student who learned this during finals. He said, AI wrote the first draft, but I added my voice. He picked up 3 clients, made $3,500 in a month, and suddenly people were asking him, teach me how. That's path 1. Use AI to double down on your strengths, not replace you. Here's how you can start. Choose one service. Writing, email, social media captions, business plans. Do a 24-hour sprint. Prompt ChatGPT. Refine with your ideas. Deliver to a friend or small client. See their reaction. Then rinse and repeat. Scale it. Now path 2. AI-generated products. This one is pure leverage. You create once, sell forever. Here's the deal. Tools like Midjourney and Leonardo let you generate art, posters, notebook covers. That teen with $30 for credits made 20 poster variations, uploaded them to Etsy, and pulled in $200 in 4 weeks, all from his bedroom. That's leverage. Your time is finite, but products can keep selling while you sleep. And psychologically, people love novelty. AI art is new, and if your product hits, suddenly you're running ads, scaling variations, and building a small empire. But don't just create random things, do micro-tests. That's smart growth. Now path 3, automate and scale a side hustle. You've seen faceless YouTube channels blowing up, right? No camera, no face, no team. Here's how it goes. Write a script with ChatGPT. Plug it into 11 Labs for voice. Grab footage from free stock sites. Edit in, publish. Rinse and repeat. The algorithm sees consistency. It pushes. Views grow. You build an audience. Example, those channels often hit monetization thresholds in months, not years, and they don't face camera, and you can too. Let's pause for psychology. Why this works. 3 big principles. First, speed. Deliver faster than human-level effort. AI, speed. Second, novelty. People are fascinated by AI-created output. Third, consistency. AI lets you batch produce, and consistent content wins algorithms and minds alike. before you write this off, because this sounds like work, let me say, yes, it is work. But it's leveraged work. You plug in AI, you scale quick. That's not luck, that's PTO, passion, time, and optimization. Now I don't want theory, I want action. So here's the 5-day AI money challenge. At the bottom of the description, I've linked all the tools. You can start free, no cost barrier. Day 1, choose a path, services, products, or content. Do your research for 1 to 2 hours. Look at competitors, prices, niches. Day 2, build your asset, service offer, storefront, YouTube channel. Create branding, mock-ups. Day 3, create your first deliverable. Write that article draft, upload your first design, make your first video script and voice track. Day 4, launch. Make your Etsy listing live. Deliver your service to a client. Post your first video. Share it to one forum, one group, one friend. Get feedback. Watch the traction. Day 5, optimize. Based on feedback, sales chart, views, tweak. Update descriptions. A/B test thumbnails. Reach out to another client. Now, I want you to post your day 1 result in the comments. I'll respond personally. Most people will freeze at step 1. We won't. We'll move. Now let's handle some common objections, because honestly, you're thinking them. Objection 1. AI is going to take everything. It already is, but only the complacent win. The agile thrive. Not prepared. You'll get replaced. Prepared. You'll profit. Objection 2. I'm not tech savvy. This stuff is built for humans, not coders. Copy-paste prompts, click buttons, watch tutorials. If you can use Instagram, you can use ChatGPT. Objection 3. Everyone's doing it. True. But nobody's doing it with your voice, your spin, your niche. That's your advantage. Objection 4. Seems sketchy. Options are endless. You choose ethical niches, like study planners, kids' coloring books, eco-friendly art prints. Start small, build trust, scale responsibly. Now look beyond dollars. I want to plant a mindset for the long haul. Technology will always change. Phones, internet, social media, now AI. Next, quantum, biotech, something we haven't imagined. The survival skill is not knowing every tool, it's learning any tool. That's unstoppable. So this is bigger than money. This is about future-proofing your mind. Flexibility becomes your superpower. What happens when tomorrow you need to build an AI-powered app or automate your marketing? You'll know how to adapt. Most people still wait until after the wave hits. You're learning to surf. Now's the time. The people who adapt fast, they're not working harder, they're working smarter. You want that life. Let AI do the heavy lifting. You steer. If that resonates with you, hit like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with anyone who feels the same nervous churn in their gut. We're building a future where people control AI, not the other way around. Your journey starts today. Choose a path. Do day 1. Comment. Share your progress. This channel is a lab. We experiment, we learn, and we win together. All right, let's rewrite the narrative. AI isn't the job stealer. It's your ticket to reinvention. I can't wait to see what you build. Let's do this.